everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts Hair and I'm here today with my sister Rosie and I'm going to be showing you an awesome braid. I think you're going to love this one. I'm not going to lie, I haven't actually tried it before, but in my head it's amazing. So let's just fingers crossed and let's get going. So what I'm doing here to start, guys, is I'm going to part the hair in this sort of shape to the side. So I'll just use my little comb, taking my time, bringing that part down like this to about there. And then I'm just going to pick up this section of hair, guys, and just pin it out the way. So what I'd like you to do is we're going to be doing lots of little ponytails coming all the way down right close to this part line here. Okay, so as much on the part line as you can. And I want your first section of hair to be really, really vertical like this. Now Rosie's got a few little babies there. Can you see just these little wispy bits? So I've just got a tiny bit of like styling wax on my fingers and I'm just going to smooth that up because I want this section to be really, really smooth and vertical. And then I want you to do the same again, guys. So we're going to take that sort of very narrow rectangular shape of hair, brush it out using that wax if we need to smooth that bit out, and we're going to put another ponytail at the top. Okay guys, on this next one now I hope this is going to make sense to you. I don't want you to take a rectangular section like that. What I'd like you to do is take a slightly different shape, a triangular shape. Okay, so it's going to start really narrow at the bottom and going wider like that, okay? And that's because we're going to be bringing these sections around like that. Okay guys, so again we're going to go for a triangle. So it's thick to thin. So thick at the top, coming down thin. Rosie, you look about 5 years younger, babe. This hair's pulling this side. It looks like just on one side though, but it looks great.
Wrinkles on the other side.
Another triangle. Another triangle. So as you can see guys, we went rectangle, rectangle, triangle, 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 and now finally this piece of hair is running completely horizontally. Once it gets to horizontal like that, now I'm going to take a rectangle shape again now. So I'm going to release those down, guys, so you're left with just some little cute ponytails running all the way down one side like that. Okay guys, so I'm going to do a quick pull through braid now. So I'm going to divide this top into two. Next ponytail comes through. If you could just hold that section of hair there, Ro. And then these two sections here are going to get added into this one. So all together, grab them all together, put an elastic in. I'll just take that one back, thanks Ro, and then just pull at these sides guys, just tease it out to make it look like a braid. Gonna go again, top ponytail into two, like that. Next ponytail comes up and through, if you could just hold that little section for me Ro. These two get added into this one, all together, pop an elastic in. Take that one back. Okay guys, and again, just tease out these edges so it looks like a nice big braid. And the reason why I'm doing a pull through instead of a normal Dutch is because I'm going to get this looking a lot bigger than if I just did a normal Dutch braid, because I'm pulling against the elastics. One more for you. Divide into two. Next ponytail comes through that middle. My lovely assistant Rosie will hold that. These two sections are going to get added into this ponytail here. Okay guys, so I'm at the bottom now. I've got 2 strands left. I'm just going to divide that top one into 2. I'm going to take it underneath that ponytail and then kind of pinch them all together like that, and then pop an elastic in, and it sort of creates like a faux last strand. Next stage, guys, is going to be releasing this hair down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a curl to this hair, but I'm going to go for it. So I'm using quite a narrow wand. I'm going to curl in different directions so it's not all in the same direction. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this section of hair now and lift up the curls, and I'm going to back comb the curls from this side. So as you can see guys, I'm just basically taking each individual curl, pushing down right at the root like that, letting that curl fall back down, using my comb to just brush out that back comb. Now I'm going quite big and like kind of punk look with Rosie today, but you can be much more subtle about this. You could just have a gentle curl. You don't need to go all out. And then what I want to do guys is just lift up this hair here. And I'm just going to pin that a little bit over to the other side. So that is our style finish. Now, I'm loving the pull through braid, and I think it looks like a sort of like a revamped 80s style. Definitely not 80s because of the pull through, but I think the curls are definitely giving me 80s vibes. So I'm going to do a little spin for you. So video done guys, hope you loved it. I actually really like how it turned out though. I'm loving the little curly fringe like a little poodle. And I shall see you next week for another video. Please like, please subscribe. Bye.